Hello, teacher from all the globe. I hope you're doing great and awesome this morning or this afternoon or this evening. I want to talk to you about a very important website for English teachers. This website is called The Sound of Speech. The Sound of Speech. I recommend you check it out. This website is very interesting because it shows you how the sounds are produced in the articulation system or in the mouth, how they come out as they are in English language. This website supports three languages: German, Spanish, and English. But what we are focusing on right now is English because English is our major source of interest right now. If you log into the website by going to this link here, you're going to see the following. So once you log into the website, you will see the distribution of sounds in English. You will find the manner, place, voice, diphthongs, monophthongs, diphthongs, glide, liquid, nasal, fricatives, stop, and the most interesting one is plays. Let's go to the bilabial here, and once we click on that, we will see the distribution of bilabials. So P or pa, ba, me, and wa. And if we want to see a video of how they look, we can just click on pa, and we can see how it is enunciated in the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, and at the end of the word. So I think this website is very good opportunity to English teachers to investigate how sounds are literally pronounced and how they can imitate the content of this website for their students if they want to introduce something in a very interactive and entertaining manner. Once you see these videos, you can imitate them. You can synthesize how they pronounce these words and how they enunciate sounds. And that is going to build a good repertoire to students to be able to produce the sounds effectively later on. Thank you so much.